a Sony IMX sensor, 144Hz screen refresh rate, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, 70 watts charging. These are some of the highlighting features of the new TECNO CAMON 30 Pro. And this is my review. Let's get it. The design of the CAMON 30 Pro, like other phones in this series, are designed to look like a digital camera, with the protruding camera and light indicators, just like how the old cameras used to look. I think it looks really nice. The Pro version has a plastic frame, glass front and back. The rails are reflective, but that's a plastic build. The back of this device is not so reflective. It has this matte feeling look, so it actually does a good job at hiding fingerprints. I like the all black design. It looks stealth, a color combination that can match a lot of outfits, so a lot of people should definitely enjoy this. The phone feels very good in the hand. Sides aren't sharp. You get a Type-C port, a dual SIM card slot. This is a hybrid slot, a speaker at the bottom of this device. I like the design of this phone. It feels very good in the hand, minimal but still looking very, very cool. For the screen of this device, you have a 144Hz refresh rate display. It is an AMOLED display at 6.7 inches and also a 1080p panel, and also has always on capabilities. The display being AMOLED is very good. We get good and rich looking colors and deep blacks as well. But that's not why everybody likes the screen. It's all because of the 144Hz screen refresh rate. That is everything. This makes the animation on this screen look very smooth and responsive. Content looks very good on this device. It gets bright enough to use outdoor. The viewing angle of the panel is impressive too. Little to no complaints with the screen. Even better, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor that works really well. It's not the fastest I've seen, but it's going to get the job done. We also get a stereo speaker setup on this device, and it sounds really good for the price point. For performance, this comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset. This is the Ultimate. It is the 4nm chipset, a very capable chipset paired with 512GB of storage and 12GB of RAM that can be extended using memory fusion, with iOS 14 and Android 14 out of the box. Gaming on this device was a lot of fun, way too much fun than I expected. Battery smooth at 144Hz if you can find games that can take advantage of this. PUBG lovers are going to be pleased to know this actually plays at HDR settings with extreme frame rates, but this might cause the phone to heat up a bit. But the gaming experience was one of the best that I have experienced on a TECNO device. The gameplay was really good. Here is the impressive Geekbench score. And with the AIG portrait feature, you can artificially generate portraits from pictures taken. They also implemented autofocus when it comes to the selfie camera. For battery, we have a 5000 mAh battery that supports 70 watts of super fast charging, capable of charging about 80% in 30 minutes. That's a feature a lot of people are going to appreciate. And depending on your use case scenario, you can easily end the day with enough battery life, even some to use for the next day. For cameras, we have a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel depth, and a 50 megapixel selfie camera. With a newly introduced Sony IMX sensor, you are guaranteed to get very good looking pictures even in low light situations. Here are some pictures and videos taken with this camera. For videos, this is capable of shooting 4K at 60 FPS with ultra steady video at 30 FPS. It's actually looking good. The skin tones, sunsets, the dynamic range as well. Also, how do I sound? And like we always do, let's check out how the stabilization looks. Let's jog there and back. Let's go. Oh, this is looking good. Stabilization is looking great. Let's go again. Okay, now let's see what the main camera looks like. Let me know what you guys think about this. First, let's check out the stabilization. Jog there again. Let's go. How does the skin tones look like? How does the dynamic range also look like? And how do I sound? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as usual, stay liquid.
I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
A lot of people are going to appreciate the designs. It's one of my favorite, and when it comes to performance, the new Dimensity 8200 chipset is a very capable chipset with amazing cameras from the Sony IMX sensor. Hopefully we're going to get some more information concerning how many years of OS update we are going to get for this device, but so far so good. The Pro is looking like a device a lot of people will like to pick up.